There you go.
Greetings from Tony the Vet here in sunny San Diego at the Veterans Museum and Memorial Center with my good friend Will Hayes, chairman of the board, who's accepting my check for a $100 donation, which is in appreciation of the tremendous support that the Veterans Museum and Memorial Center is giving to Tony the Vet, his walkathon across America, for Support Our Veterans Association. 2 weeks from today, right here at the Veterans Museum and Memorial Center, we will have a ceremony called Send-Off Ceremony, at which time we'll have guest speakers, a memorial service, and lots of fun and games. So come on out, and it'll be my first day's walk on the walkathon. I will leave here and walk up to Fort Rosecrans National Cemetery. Will, thank you very much.
Well, thank you, and good luck on that walk. We look forward to sending you off with the Light Honor on September 11th.
Thank you.